But what is stated here, and what Srila Prabhupada emphasizes, is that Shastra establishes, Lord Brahma establishes, Varnas, ashramas, their subdivisions. If you want to see, it was sometime in February of 1977, this whole question of is Varnashram for members of ISKCON or not? And of course Srila Prabhupada made it very clear in just as many words. But in Bhagavatam, in Bhagavad-Gita, Krishna gives certain number of verses. Srimad Bhagavatam, aside from seeing that all of the settings take place in a Varnashram social background, you have in the 7th canto, Narada is speaking from chapter 9 to 11 on Varnashram. Krishna in the 11th canto gives 2 chapters on Varnashram and 1 chapter on the modes of material nature, describing them in the context of how it affects both the individual as well as society overall. 4% of Bhagavatam is dealing with Varnashram. It's not by accident, but it's by purpose. In any case, Krishna is talking to Uddhava, saying, Tavat karmani kurvita nanir vedyeta javata matkata shavanado ba shradha javan najayate. As long as one is not satiated by fruit of activity and has not awakened his taste for devotional service by Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, one has to act according to the regulative principles of Vedic injunctions. So 2 things, that you have no fruitive intent, and number 2 is that you have namagana sadaruchi, you have a real taste. You can take that to the transcendental stage, or at least you can take it to the stage where people really have a taste for hearing Srimad Bhagavatam and for chanting Hare Krishna. Taste means you don't fall asleep, your mind doesn't wander, you don't get bored, you can just keep going on and on and on. If you don't fit that bill, then you're obliged to follow Varnashram.